Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Joe Mersa's cause of death revealed. Nearly 6 months post the death of the young Marley, the Miami-Dade Medical Examiner's Office on Tuesday reported that Joe Mersa Marley died of acute asthma exacerbation after being infected by rhinovirus and enterovirus. The artist, who was found unresponsive in a vehicle in Miami, had a history of asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. According to reports by Rolling Stone magazine, he was not taking his asthma medication at the time of his death. Joseph Joe Mersa Marley, the son of Stephen Marley and the grandson of reggae legend Bob Marley, died December last year at the age of 31. Now, Valiant released his mixtape 414. The artist, fresh off his European tour last night, held the launch event for his first ever project. Father Dipo shared the inspiration behind the mixtape.
It's a long journey, really, because I can't really pretty it up, because I'm kind of nervous. So at the same time, I kind of fidget, so I really watch the fidgeting, you know. Just talk about it, really. It's a long journey. You know, sir, I sit to myself the thing, and I like so one of the negative songs, you know, I would really take from we first, you know. So the mixtape is really for set a pace, for sure that it's versatile in a different ways. Reggae, dancehall, gospel, Afro, Spanish too. And we have everything can say too. All French, Mademoiselle, we have everything. So I forget that's so versatile for sure. So 414 has to do with timing. That's the time I became viral with Catchy, and that's the time when my son was born. You know. So we can't really forget that. So it really make a stamp in my life, 414. It's also an angelic number. So you can look it up as well.
At the launch, Minister of Entertainment Olivia Grange says though some of her peers frown at her support for artists, she understands the journey.
Yes, his music is controversial. Yes, some of it I can't handle. Yes, some of it my colleagues don't like it. And I've always felt that you must stay and work with your people and help to change attitudes and help to make them better. And so I've seen many poor youth rise to the top, to the point where they can turn around and help others.
Minister Grange reiterated to Valiant, her nephew, as she affectionately calls him, to not only focus on his greatness, but his goodness as a role model.
This society is a society that kind of love badness and things were kind of risky. But the more that we penetrate the world, is the more we have to understand the responsibility that we have.
Valiant, who broke onto the scene with Don's Check, Barbies, St. Mary and Corruption, last week released an inspirational track, the first song from his mixtape titled Muhammad. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. See you next time.